I'm Brandon Brooks. I create video content and write music. Born in Orlando, I now live in Clearwater.
Filming on the Gulf Coast is great. We've got beautiful weather, boating, fishing, white sand beaches. The sunsets, they're amazing. They never get old. It really is a joy to come outdoors and film all the symbolic things that represent this way of life around here. It does get a little bit hot during the summertime with the humidity, but you know, small price to pay.
I started Life Focus Productions to pursue a dream. I wanted to connect with people and help bring their creative vision to life. I also wanted professional filmmaking affordable for local business. Whether for your website, social media, or television, we can tailor your project to wow your audience. Please visit my website today at lifefocusproductions.com. Together we'll make your next video a remarkable one.
This is where a man might spend most of his time in the home of the 21st century. This equipment here will allow him to carry on normal business activities without ever going to an office away from home. Just turn this button, and out it comes.